All right, guys, welcome back here. Come and look at this particular trade. This one you're seeing here. So I took this trade together with my community members from here. All right. It came to this area, went back up there, crashing, coming to this place. Almost 1:2. But then, boom, coming back. Some of them were removed at stop loss. I was removed at break even. Now the question is, what is the problem with this trade? Now this is the lesson you must learn in this particular trade. Remember, I told you that I was going to show you my trade progression almost every day, whether the trade went positive or negative. No matter what the situation of the trade is, if I was in the trade, I will make sure that there is a lesson for you. All right, this is GBP USD anyway, the 5-minute time frame. So let's start from the initial analysis. So early in the morning, I came to my chart, went to DXY. DXY is the dollar. During the London session was when I came to DXY. I went straightway to the higher time frame, starting from the 4-hour time frame. I wanted to know what is happening to the dollar before I go into my trades. Remember, I told you yesterday that the dollar was expected to trade bearish into the discount area. Remember, here from the 4-hour, we are still in premium. Where are we targeting in the discount? We have a fair value gap here. Possibly trade will come here, or this particular fair value gap. These 2 points of interest, they are the point of interest we are expecting the dollar to trade into. You see, coming into this area to go up, or even to come here before going up. But then we are going to leverage the opportunity of this bearish movement. So I saw trade trying to balance itself, and I wasn't wrong for going bearish on GBP USD. I will show you what I saw before doing that. So early in the morning, I saw this. Okay, I saw this happening on the dollar. I was expecting trade to just trade the London kill zone strategy, sweeping the Asian low right here. This box is called the Asian session. That is the Asian range. So this particular box is an indicator I use on my trading view. If you come to indicator list and search for this particular indicator called Asian range and kill zones, this one by NSR Group, you can tick it to be your favorite if you want to see it oftentimes. So what it does is that it is going to show you the exact Asian trading session, the high of Asia, the low of Asia. So we saw this price sweeping the low of Asia, which means we are expecting price to go bullish, even if it is to go bullish to this point. All right, if I see that happening, I would be happy. Just to the high around here, I would be happy to take the sell on GBP USD. That was basically what I did. And then to further fortify my reasons for that, I saw price trading into this area. You see this, please? There is this fair value gap here, below here. Even though we never reached that fair value gap before I decided to enter the trade, but then it was during the London open session. So if I go back to GBP USD where we took the trade, you will see more reasons why I took the trade. So right here, this is GBP USD, guys. When we came here initially, I started by doing the analysis. I saw the trade, and that was what happened. Look at this. Price came, retraced, leaving out this guy, a fair value gap. All right. And what do you also have? A bearish order block. I hope this is understandable enough. So why did I take the trade then? I saw price trading into the fair value gap, which is more reason for me to consider going bearish. I saw price trading into that particular bearish fair value gap. That is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. All right. I hope you are getting the lesson here. So if you see price trading into this area, what next do? You will look for alignment, reasons why price will trade bearish. probably bearish to this area before you finally deliver price to the ultimate area here. So that was the reason why I took the sell, and my sell target wasn't much. I was just targeting the low of Asia. But then in the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see more reasons why we took the trade. In the 15-minute time frame, I saw price did this. Let me clear up everything. Remember the fair value gap on the 1 hour and that order block? I saw price sweeping the high of Asia right here. Let me adjust it. Sweeping the high of Asia here. That is liquidity, and trading even above this high of yesterday. Liquidity. More reasons to trade this. And then it also went into the fair value gap of the 1 hour time frame. Let me make it more clearer so you can see what I'm saying, guys. More reasons to take the sell. I saw that. So I said, okay, I want to be part of this trade, but then give me a reason to go into that trade. I need a shift in market structure to go into that sell. I came right here on the 5-minute time frame. I saw price pushed up to this fair value gap. You see price creating a bearish mitigation block here. Price creating a bearish mitigation block. This guy is a bearish mitigation block. This guy. I said, wow, amazing. So if that is going to be the area, this was the London session open, and I am finding this opportunity. I was going to sell right here, and my stop is going to be just above this high, so I won't get stopped out if for any reason price decides to go against me. And my target was going to be just here. I knew that the buying pressure or the bullish pressure is much, but then that wouldn't stop me from selling just to this area. My target is always here. If you are trading the London kill zone, your target is always the opposing liquidity. The opposing liquidity is your target at every point. This area is your target. And trust me, guys, I shared it in the community right here. This was it. This was when I shared with them. I told them that GBP was the sell setup. Sell setup. And look at this. Price started moving to this area, and it came back. I didn't break even at the first time, but when it came here, I think somewhere around here, I decided to break even. Say, okay, now I'm running on zero loss. Deliver to the final location, this place. Just a little more movement to deliver completely. That was almost 18 pips, which is within the London kill zone strategy. 18 pips or 19 pips. 19 pips price movement. It's a decent trade. Lo and behold, price came back. Remove me here. All right, remove me at break even. So I consider it as a failed trade. It's a failed trade. Now the question is, do I start chasing trade or chasing price now? No. When a trade setup fell, you look for reasons why it happened and look for another opportunity. Don't go into a revenge trading. There is always an opportunity in the market. And then I decided to use the opportunity to have some discussion with the community, guys. I said, trade went to 1:2 and reversed only to clear me out at break even. Trade didn't work as planned. We will find another opportunity. That's as simple as that. And I saw a lot of discussion from them. They are discussing reasons, somebody is saying, oh, I didn't break even, he got stopped out. Somebody is taking trade on gold. Absolutely perfect. These guys are doing amazing. All right, looking at this. So all the discussion, the progression, I have the channel is for them to see my signals, and then this, they have discussions there. So a lot of them are getting these things correctly. A lot of them are getting these things correctly. If I see some of their analysis, I am amazed. You see some of their analysis, absolutely beautiful. So when I see this, I know that they are progressing. Even without my signals, they take trades that are dumbfounding, dumbfounding. So all this, you see, is a discussion. Told them, if you miss trade, don't go into another trade in revenge. It is simple as that. even though price may ultimately trade bearish on this regard, because we have this bearish order block on the 1 hour time frame, or it can even trade above it, but trade has left us. We have been stopped out. It's simple. Tomorrow there is another opportunity, and this is not the only trade we've taken. We've taken so many beautiful trades with positive. In fact, since from last week till today, personally, me, I've not taken any wrong trades. Like, to be stopped out, most of them are positive, and then this one took me out at break even because it's a short time sell and I was 1:2. I decided to break even. So you should cultivate this culture. Ensure that you have a strict rule around you. Once trade does not work, don't go into revenge. That is why you have money management. No revenge trading. That is why you have stop loss. It means you are stopped out of the trade. It doesn't mean you have lost the money forever. Another opportunity will come and you would get back your trade and you will get back on your feet. I hope this video helps somebody. And if you are coming here for the first time, trust me guys, this is a simple trade recap I do most of the time to show you the reasons why trade worked or why trade did not work. I'm not hiding anything from you because I am a real trader. I am not faking it. I am a real trader. I trade, and every time some of you can see my trade, the wrong trades, the good trades, I share with you. Thank you guys for watching. In case you find this video really helpful, let me know in the comments and I will make more videos. Encourage me to make more videos. Subscribe, share my YouTube channel link with other people. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.